Hey guys, it's part 2 of it. Sorry, there was a problem in the first one. This laptop that I'm recording with is really crazy. It took this stuff by itself. Anyways, if you saw the first one, I'll just do the same things. Put the Yoshi together, the Mario together, and if you guys probably didn't see this, I'll show you. Go! Now it's Yoshi's turn. Go, Yoshi! Yoshi man! Oh. Anyways, guys, I need to show you something so hilarious. You guys are gonna laugh. Okay, this may take a while though. It's gonna be so funny, guys, that you guys have to watch this. Part 2 is the best. Maybe. Okay. Hold on, guys. It's gonna take a long time. This is the funniest thing ever, guys. You guys are gonna crack up at this. Look at this. Yoshi Mario! Mario has the overalls, the pants, and Yoshi's head. Yoshi man! It's funny about these parts because you can actually connect them to each other. You could do Luigi and Mario together, or Yoshi and Mario together, whatever. And Eric's playing Super Mario 3D Land, if you heard that. He's like, yeah, again. Okay, well, there's nothing else to do, so I'm just gonna show you guys this. I've always shown you guys this, but you guys barely get to see this. You can hear Eric playing the videos probably. If this
a song for your video.
Go Mario! Go as fast as you can!
Wait, this is just a song for your video.
I know.
Hit the purple ball.
Okay, guys, that's it. And we're really sorry about continuing the video in part 2 because I seriously, this laptop is crazy. It's crazy. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. But we're gonna celebrate since it's Christmas, almost Christmas Eve,
and then Christmas Day.
Yes, Eric. Yes. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna end it with something. You guys just gotta wait. Is it? There's my other Mario Kart. Okay, you guys can. It's gonna be short though. Like Midget Apple from North Orange. Sorry, Midget Apple, if we saw that. Okay. Could you guys say perfect?
No.
Eric, seriously, you just want a level, man. Don't cheer up about it.
I'll copy my photo. Jeez.
Wait, I want to though. Oh, come on.
Gay apparel.
That was voodoo. It's at Christmas.
You see that too, me?
No, I see that cake.
Yeah, your mom sees that too.
Oh well. Okay, anyways. That is all for today, guys. So we're seriously sorry about the part 2 part. And you guys better watch it.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah. If you don't, I will shoot you like this.
Don't shoot the camera, man!
You see this?
Don't shoot the camera! Oh, God.
That's it for today.